back to my channel. This is Brandy with Sunflowers and Moonbeams, and today we are going to be unboxing part 2 of my Tarot of Oneness unboxing, which is the Kickstarter, well, one of the Kickstarters that I backed back in May of this year, 2022. And this deck is by Robyn Voisey, and if you missed the first part of the unboxing, I will link that video in the description box below. So when I got the part 1 of the Kickstarter campaign that I got, just to recap, it came with the tarot deck that she made, and it also came with the Glow Oracle, which was an add-on in this campaign. This is the Oracle deck that she did, and again, if you want to see this deck, I will link it down below. It is in the first part of the unboxing video, and I also have a flip through of it on my channel as well. Now, the rest of what I was waiting on is in this envelope, and it actually came in 3 parts. I got the deck. Beautiful, stunning. It's my new favorite. I have used it constantly since I got it. Absolutely gorgeous. And the Oracle deck add-on that I purchased, I got that in the first part. I did color code my guidebook though, for me to find stuff easier. And I haven't been keeping this in the box because I keep it in a special place where I have been using it so much, so I can grab it quick, but we're going to put it back in here for now for the sake of the video. And then the second part came like 5 or 6 days later, and it was this lovely, stunning, velvety tarot reading cloth, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'll try to zoom out so you can see it better. Gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. It matches the cards, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And let's see, there's a tag on it here somewhere that tells, let's see, there we go. The Old Spay Wife. I'm probably saying that all kinds of wrong, but there you go. I'm sure you can look her up somewhere. But this came second, and then this came last. I'm gonna zoom back in here. Alright, so this is what I was working on. This video is not going to be that long because I'm just finishing up what came in the Kickstarter campaign for those of you who may be interested. So, ooh, that's pretty. We have a beautiful art print. I believe this is the Magician card in this deck. Lovely, lovely. And then the backers of this campaign got a couple of custom spreads. So we have the Elemental Wisdom spread and the Merkaba spread. And this is, I think, the Present Moment card in this deck, which is one of the additional cards she added. Oh, lovely. Thank you so much for your support, Robyn. Really cute little smiley face. I love it. And then these are her 2 decks that she's done, and the information on them and where you can find them. And I believe Solstice Healing, that is the name of her Etsy shop also. And I will link that down below. And here's just a few of the up-and-coming decks and past decks that have been funded or being funded on Kickstarter. Now, she did give an extra moon card because she had to do a reprint of it. She said there was something in the original that she didn't like a line in it or something. I can't quite remember. I didn't notice it personally. But we'll take a look in a minute and see if we can see what she's talking about. But she did send the reprinted version to add, so that's good. And then we have a beautiful little sticker. This is the Ace of Pentacles, and I love this fish. This makes me happy. I can't explain why, but it makes me happy. And this little sticker, I love this. This is on the bottom of the box also. And I think it's in one of the Queen cards. Maybe the Queen of Pentacles? I can't remember. Let's see. It's got a quote on it. Love is the recognition of oneness in a world of duality. Eckhart Tolle. Oh, that's cute. And then you have the symbol that's on the decks and the tarot cloth, which the tarot cloth was an add-on option. It was not part of the actual Kickstarter, but it was like you could get it as an add-on. And then a bookmark, dual-sided bookmark. Now this is the Chariot, and it says, I place my intention into the vast ocean of all possibilities and allow the universe to work through me, by Deepak Chopra. And this, I think, is the Death and Rebirth card, I want to say. Beautiful, beautiful. Love me a bookmark. Big book fan. And then we have our second art print, which I think is the Ten of Cups. I'm not quite sure. I think so, though. And it's so velvety soft. It's like matte. Love it. Alright, so that is all of the things that were included in the Kickstarter that I got. Now let's see if we can find this moon card and see what the deal with it is. Okay, I don't know. I didn't notice anything personally, but she said it bothered her just enough to have it reprinted. So we're gonna take a little look-see. There it is. Okay, let's see. Now this is the one I had, and this is the one she sent. I might be blind. I'm not seeing a difference. Might be just me though. Do you see a difference? If so, type down below where it's at and what it is, because I'm not seeing a difference. But then again, I don't have the greatest eyesight in the world. So I'm going to use this one that came with it as an extra bookmark, and I'm going to put the one that she said she had fixed for whatever was wrong with it in my deck. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Short and sweet, to the point. Hope you enjoyed it, and please come back if you enjoyed videos like this, tarot and oracle content. Click the like button down below, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to share with a friend who might like it, and go ahead and click subscribe, and that way you will be notified with a little bell button down there when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.